Here are the hawkers in question. Now, since the two have been sitting out, and that's maybe 20 minutes now, this one has continued to drop in voltage, and this one has risen in voltage. So I suspect we got a weak one and a bad one. I didn't bother getting new batteries. I just swapped to the single system. So these are the two that had the highest charge when they were daisy chained together. Both of them were at like 11.8, and they were connected to batteries that were 8.5 and 9.2 volts respectively. So these two are the best two. This is what a double battery system looks like. Starts the truck just fine, no problems. You know, now that everything in here is LED, I don't even have any real current draws. I don't know how much use it'll be to somebody else, because, you know, we've got the entire electrical harness for the rest of the tour truck in here as well, so it's going to be a bit confusing. Basically, this are R wires. This one's R wire. That's the truck right there. So, yeah, there she be. I didn't have a cable long enough. See, what you're probably going to want to do is steal one of your slave cables, and then, now that wouldn't work either, would it? Basically, this one wouldn't reach. If I turn this battery 90 degrees, it would still fit in the holder, as long as you, you'd have to bow it out for the handles, but it would still fit in the holder. But then, I don't know, I probably should have done that. If I'd have turned it 90 degrees, then these two, they still would have connected, and then that one would, dang it. Oh well, it's in there now, and I mean that's clamped nice and tight, and it's ground, so it can't hurt anything. But no one really likes that. Dang it! Why didn't I do that? There was a reason I didn't do that. This one was too short. That's why I didn't do it. That's why I didn't do it. I knew there was a reason. This wire was too short, and I don't have the stuff with me today to, you know, cut it and splice it and extend it. That is the charge wire. So you can hear my charger howling. You can hear it howl. It's not happy. But these things are back up to 22 volt or 24.2 volts. So they're taking a charge pretty quickly. That's why I didn't do it. Shoot. Well, later on, what I'm going to do is I'll pop this all loose again. It's not that big a deal. And I'll lengthen this wire right here. Maybe I'll peel it back, and I could put it through, and then it would get over there. Now, regardless, you know, that's functional. I've already started the truck, but yeah, it's just going to corrode, and it's going to get some resistance, and then it's going to get some heat. You don't want any of those things. But anyways, there it is, converted over. Probably of no use to anyone, because all the rest of this stuff, by God, she'll run.